Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to make a speak function. So let's get started.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In the address bar of any folder type cmd. In command prompt type code dot. In Visual Studio Code create a new file. Name it as speak.py. Now we need to import a module named pyttsx3. If you don't have, then in the terminal type pip install pyttsx3. I have already installed the module, so it's showing requirement already satisfied, but in your device it will be installed. In this part, write what you want your computer to speak. As it's New Year, I am writing Happy New Year 2022. After writing, save the file and press the Run button.
Happy New Year 2022.
As you can see, the program worked correctly. I am playing it once again.
Happy New Year 2022.
If you like my video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.